The journey to determine the language of ornamentation started by observing the process of traditional Thai textile making. As seen in this collage that I have prepared, each operation is mapped out in sequence to study the morphology from fiber, yarn to fabric. Through conceptual sketches, I began to illustrate multiple elements within the textile making process, deriving the qualities of its movement and form and translating them to lines and shapes. As I closely examined the sketches I have made, I began to notice the difference between the process and product of textile creation in the fact that the process was one founded on creating tension, rigidity, and tightness through pulling and pushing movements. In stark contrast, the product is evident in portraying fluidity, softness, and bendability, which is further explored through conceptual sketches. With the use of the relevant shapes and lines, the final ornament drawing manages to bridge the contrast within a process that focuses on tension and rigidity, with its end product which can be described as free-flowing, flexible, dynamic, and ever-changing. As a corresponding analog to the predetermined language of ornamentation, the building element is designed to portray the connection between two realms, hence the merging of two spheres to form a cylindrical pot. Through more experimental sketches, the cylinder is then further molded into its decagonal shape, in which panelization and flattening of the curved surfaces are able to facilitate the repetitive reflection of light and enable a kaleidoscopic function. To add towards the functionality of the building element as a window, mock-up models are made to create a mechanization similar to the twisting and bending movements of a weaving loom machine. This is then implemented to the window panels in order to ventilate its attaching building in a manner that reflects the process of textile making. From the language of ornamentation, the main and sub-elements are extracted and imprinted onto the surfaces of the decagonal pot. The final ornament building element is therefore named as Kaleidospot, a skylighted window pot that portrays the bridging of two spherical realms. Through panelization, it has a kaleidoscopic function, purpose for the extraction of textile design patterns through the play of light and reflection. Steered by a reflect mechanism, its mobile panels are designed to adapt to the ventilation and lighting needs of the building it is contained within.